If you've ever wondered how to easily share a PowerPoint presentation with CrankWheel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, and why it's such a game changer for remote presentations. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to share a special offer for a completely free trial of CrankWheel just for you. First off, let's talk about the basics. CrankWheel is a super convenient tool that lets you share your screen instantly with anyone, and it's designed to be used without complicated setups. When you're working on a PowerPoint presentation, the idea is simple. You can use CrankWheel to instantly show your slides to your audience, whether they're in the same room or miles away. Next thing, you'll want to get set up. If you don't already have CrankWheel, don't worry. You can use it for free with an exclusive extended trial just by clicking the link below. Once you've signed up and logged in, it's time to jump into sharing your presentation. Now, the fourth thing to do is start your PowerPoint presentation. Go ahead and open the file you want to share. You should have it ready to go before you connect with your audience, so the transition is smooth. Then, open CrankWheel. You'll notice a simple interface with options to share your screen. Click on the Share Screen button, and in the pop-up window, select the PowerPoint window that you want to share. Make sure that the PowerPoint presentation is in full screen mode, so your audience sees everything clearly. After that, CrankWheel does its magic. It'll instantly begin streaming your PowerPoint to the people you're presenting to without any lag or interruptions. This means your audience gets to see your slides in real time with no delays, and you don't have to worry about sharing your entire desktop or dealing with any technical hiccups. One of the best features here is that CrankWheel doesn't require the person on the other side to have an account. They'll just click the link you send, and boom, they're viewing your presentation live. Super simple, right? Next up, keep the conversation going. You can actually interact with your audience while they're watching your presentation using CrankWheel's built-in chat feature. This is perfect for answering any questions they might have or clarifying points as you go through the slides. The last thing to remember is that once you're done with your presentation, you can easily stop sharing with a single click. You won't have to worry about accidentally exposing anything you didn't mean to share after the session ends. So, to quickly recap, start by opening your PowerPoint presentation, then launch CrankWheel and share your screen. Your audience will see your slides instantly, and they can engage with you using the chat feature. It's that easy. As I mentioned earlier, CrankWheel offers an exclusive, extended free trial, and you can access that right now through the first link in the description. This is a perfect opportunity to try out the software and see how it can improve your presentations. Thanks for watching!